To finish off Unit 1, we will very quickly cover Portuguese past participles. To form the past participles for regular AR verbs, we remove the AR ending and add ado to the stem. For ER and IR verbs, we remove the ER or IR ending and add ido to the stem. For falar, we remove the AR ending and add ado to the stem to obtain the past participle falado. For comer, we remove the ER ending and add ido to the stem to obtain the past participle comido. And for decidir, we remove the IR ending, we add ido to the stem to obtain the past participle decidido. And that's it, a very quick summary of Portuguese past participles. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.